bits and pieces out. Now these ladies, there's another one doing the small bits. So basically they will start after you saw how they mix it. They will build the pieces. What pieces are they building and why? Well, it depends on what the factory is in need. Depends on special orders. Okay? So, which means the ladies don't just come here in the morning and say, oh, today I'm going to let my artistic thing. No, this is a business. Now, can they propose new pieces? Yes. They can propose a new piece to the administration, which will then study it, okay, and they say, okay, let's start producing it.
Not anymore.
Look at that. Yes? Let's start producing it.
Yeah, let's see.
For example, the ladies, isso vai ser uma coisa super legal. This that you see there will be one of these careful shops that you see here behind.
It's a gym. It's a gym workout. Oh.
She could be a good masseuse.
Now, of course, every time there's a new piece, they will start practice first. Okay. After being here, it will rest for 24 horas que fica a secar bocadinho.
Essas assim vai ficar 2 dias.
2 dias, okay. The bigger pieces will stay for 2 days. If they're small, they stay 24 hours, right? They dry out, and after drying out, they will be fired for the first time in the oven for 9 hours at 1000 degrees Celsius, right? They're fired. After being fired, okay, they will go to be dipped in this special liquid that we call vidragem, white liquid, which you will see. Glazed, thank you very much, that is the word. They will be glazed, right? Let to dry for another couple of days. After that, before being fired, they will be painted, hand painted. The ink is very curious because it's a powder. The traditional ink, it's a powder that is pink. Okay, so originally it is pink. Okay, the powder diluted in this water, it is hand painted, and then it dries out and it's fired for the second time, almost 900 degrees for another 7 to 8 hours, and immediately taken out. And when it comes out, it comes shiny, vitrified, right, and blue. Why is it vitrified? Because there's a fast cooling. This is like volcanic glass called obsidian. It is formed when you have lava at very high temperature that is cooled very fast. Like you make glass, you know? You melt the sand, shape it, and then you cool it immediately. There's no crystallization. So it's vitrified. And it's blue because that powder, that red powder, has a cobalt reaction, okay, that turns into blue, or cobalt blue.
How long do they practice train to learn to do?
Depends on the piece. They can do it for a couple of days. These ladies are so experienced.
How long? Yeah, how many years have they been doing it?
Oh, I don't know this lady. Há quantos anos que faz isso?
Eu tive aqui há 24.
This lady's been here for 24 years.
Oh,
Wow.
And in one day she will make how many pots?
Depends on the piece, obviously. Quantos destes faz por dia?
Very.
Quantos?
30.
About 30 of these a day. These ones, if we're talking about the smaller pieces, it will be different. But you know, she'll be doing these, but then she'll be doing sugar pots, she'll be doing other things. And I mean, I tried it. If I tried to do this, it would come out a horse for sure.
She's an artist.
They know what they're doing. Now the good thing is, you have to remember, because it's hand painted, because it's like this, although you might have 30 of these, each one is exclusive.
Yeah.
Okay, because they're handmade, it's impossible to make two exactly the same. Okay, so each piece is exclusive. And look how rudimentary it is to keep the size. One stick tells you the size, the height, the width. Unbelievable. Let's move to the next part.